I bet you didn't know that Lowe's offers these 7 amazing tool brands that people rave about. The catch is you're probably not going to find them in store. They're going to be online only, and I might have just showed you a little too much here because first I want to explain that I teamed up with Lowe's on this video so you can score some high quality tools at low Lowe's prices. And while we're going through this video together, you're going to see little product tabs pop up down here, and you can tap on those and shop right away, or old school way, I'll put all the links down in the description as well if you're looking for any of these. Let's get right into this top drawer. You can see it is full of KNIPEX pliers. They are German-made pliers, some of the best pliers in the world, hands down. Any mechanic's gonna tell you that KNIPEX pliers are tool truck quality without the tool truck price tag. One of KNIPEX's most popular designs is this pliers wrench right here. You can see the jaw adjusts and locks into many different locations, so you can use it on a ton of different fastener sizes. And the pliers wrench is offered with smooth jaws, so it won't mar and destroy the fasteners you're working on. Another very popular KNIPEX design is the twin grip pliers, and these are probably my favorite pliers of all time. Like a slip joint plier, but they've got this screw extractor, and you can also grab nuts and bolts with it from that top of the jaw point there. And I'll show you another unique design of this jaw. They lock into multiple different places. They don't actually slip out, and you can see they've got kind of an offset design to help you grab whatever the heck it is that you're working on, be it a pipe or a nut or a bolt or whatever it is. And like a lot of KNIPEX tools, they're offered in multiple different sizes. And at the time of this recording, Lowe's has over 400 KNIPEX pliers options listed on their website. I definitely don't have time to go over all of them, so let's move on. The second tool brand I absolutely love is Tekton. This is the brand of pliers organizers that I was showing you in the first clip holding all those KNIPEX pliers. Tekton is a USA-based company. A lot of their organizers are made in the USA, and they make way more than just tool organizers. They make tools as well, which I will show you in just a second here. A great feature about these plier organizers is that you can store the pliers jaws in or handles in, which can really help you maximize the space in your toolbox drawers. Tekton also makes some amazing torque wrenches. This is their 1/4-inch version. I'll show you another one in just a second, but the 1/4-inch version, look at how easy the torque tree settings are to read. Let me zoom in with my camera so I can focus a little bit. It's wonderful to have easy to read torque settings because there's small numbers on there, and I really don't want to have to go get a flashlight and a magnifying glass to set up my torque wrench. Tekton solved that for you. And here is their flex head split beam style. I've got it in 3/8, and the split beam adjusts a little bit differently. You can just flip that flapper and then rotate this dial to wherever the setting is that you want, and you lock it in and you're good to go. And you can leave it locked there. You don't have to reset this every time. Tekton also makes some great ratchets, and this one in particular got me out of a weird pickle when I was working on a certain car. The power steering pump on that car was so close to the fender wall that I didn't have another ratchet that was thin and long enough to reach in there and break that bolt free. This one has a thin shaft and a little bit of a shallower head than most ratchets, and was able to get me in there and back that bolt out without pinning me up against the fender wall, and that was really nice. Tekton makes a whole bunch of other type of tools like sockets and socket sets and drivers and pry bars. I highly recommend you check out Tekton. The third brand I highly recommend you check out makes a wide range of tools as well, called Sunex, and I've got their pliers. I've had their long pliers for many years. I absolutely love these long nose pliers when I'm working on anything automotive related, but they make a whole lot of other tools as well, like impact sockets and a whole bunch of other stuff. Definitely check out Sunex. And how about Gearwrench, a very well-known tool brand, but most people don't know you can order them from Lowe's. Like, you can get their socket sets or socket rails that I just showed you there. They make great ratchets. Highly recommend those. Gearwrench also makes great screwdrivers, and as the name might imply, they also make great wrenches. This is the ratcheting wrench that I've got in my hand right here. And if you're wondering how I've got those organized, well, back to that Tekton brand. These are Tekton's modular wrench organizers, and when I say modular, it means you can customize them to just about any configuration. I'll show you. They pop apart real easily or slide together, however you want to call it. No matter how many wrenches you decide you want to fit in your drawer, you can do it with these Tekton modular wrench organizers, and I've also used these for screwdriver organization before. They work very well for that. These might be my #1 overall organization toolbox pick ever. These Tekton modular wrench organizers. You gotta get yourself some of these. And back to Gearwrench real quick. One of my favorite Gearwrench tools because it saved my butt one time when I broke a bolt inside the engine bay of a car. This ratcheting tap and die set. Oh, that ratcheting's so much nicer than the back and forth manual method. Number 5 tool brand, the Vessel screwdrivers, made in Japan. And dude, I gotta tell you, these are some high quality tools, especially at their price point. They make a ton of different style handles and designs to fit your needs, and a lot of people like this ball grip style, kind of like a golf ball on top, depending on how you have to work your screwdriver. These are great for like that palm grip. And I've used this ball grip for many years. It grows on you. If you've never used a ball style screwdriver, you owe it to yourself to try one out. And here's another style they make called the armor grip. These are kind of rubber coated handles, a cool design, and they're a big handle so that if you're doing like that full grip on them, like a full hand, you need a little leverage, a little power and torque. This is the style I would recommend. Whole set of armor grips that I got in my hand right now, they're under $30 for all of them in that tray right here. Every single one of them. Under 30 bucks. And you even get these tiny little Vessel screwdrivers with that kit in case you're working in tiny little spots. Highly recommend Vessel screwdrivers. Definitely worth checking these out. And these aren't the only styles they make. They make a ton of different screwdriver styles to fit your needs. Let's move on to this brand right here, Capri. Now, it's a lesser known brand. They make a lot of ratchets and socket sets. This one in particular is their stubby impact socket set. Just look at how shallow these are. The 22 is the same depth as the 8. Across the board, they're all the same depth. That is awesome. And speaking of awesome, Wiha makes some awesome tools. They got a cool name too. Wiha! You can find some Wiha tools on Lowe's shelves, but you can find a lot more online. I picked up this tiny little ratcheting bit set that comes in its own case for a couple reasons. And the main reason being, I needed a portable small set like this to keep in the car. And you'll see back here, these are impact rated, so you can put them in your impact driver. And also, this is a 72 tooth ratchet. Another reason I picked this up was to build furniture that only comes with those little Allen keys. Of all these tool brands I showed you that you can order online with Lowe's, do you have a favorite? Let me know down in the comments. And don't forget, we made it really easy for you to shop these with the little product tab there and the links down in the description. And don't forget to subscribe by tapping that right there, and you can watch some other videos of mine there, and over here as well. Torque and Twisted, I'm out of here.